Hey, I'm Doc from Doc's Guitars, and you're in the shop with me. I want to discuss this Epiphone Masterbilt F79 Texan guitar. Um, all the specs on this guitar you're going to find in my listings, which are on eBay.com and Reverb.com, where you'll find all the specs on this particular guitar. What I want to share with you is what I like about it. Play a little bit for you. It's probably the same thing you probably heard me play over and over, and that way you can kind of compare my other guitars. So this one is an Epiphone Texan. What did I do to it? It came with a typical, let's see if I get this, there it is right there. You can probably, there we go. See the typical, I got dried out crack from the bottom of the bridge all the way down to the bottom of the guitar. I put two cleats underneath it. Because the finish is satin and not a high gloss, I decided to force hide glue as much as I could into the crack on the top, rather than wick CA glue and then shave that down with a razor and sand and buff it out, because what I'd end up with if I did that is a line of very shiny high gloss which says I've been repaired, look at this. So I prefer cosmetically not to have done that. You can do that if you want. I would suggest you leave it alone. The repair is solid. It's not going to give you any trouble at all. So let me play a few things on this so you can kind of hear it. Not going to impress you with any playing at all. Not the idea. I find it's got good balance and tone. I've got good on the high end, the low end, we're all good. This particular guitar, I have it set to kind of play very easily. I like to set action at the top, about half a millimeter to 0.8 millimeters string height. Down at the 12th, I'm good at 1.5 millimeters to about 1.8, somewhere in between there, for how I like to play it. So let's hear it somewhat up the neck here. Let's hear it through the amp. So this is the Epiphone Masterbilt F79 Texan guitar. Nice solid built guitar, beautiful all the way around. You'll see more in the pictures that I have to follow. All right, so thank you so much for watching.